All right, Toosters. In 2 bets. Y'all see it. Boy, we stripping it down. 71, 72 Chevelle. Finna take it all apart. Get the bumpers off. Get ready to send it to paint. Hey, he got some forges on this thing here for sale too. If anybody needs some forges, they 24s. They fit A-bodies. They are for sale. We just pulled the vinyl top off. He don't want that shit no more, so we're gonna pay attention to these holes, weld these holes up. All these rivet holes. He don't want the vinyl top no more, so we're taking it off. We're going for a nice, clean, sleek look. Pancho pulling out the old AC box. We're doing vintage air. Y'all know we're doing a swap in here. Y'all know we doing a swap in here. That ain't gonna work. He said, man, bring me up to speed, coach. Put me in the game. So that's what we finna do with that 5. What is that? It was too small. So we finna take this last bolt out. So we getting all the bumpers pulled off, grill out, all of the trim, putting everything in the box and sandwich bagged. We got an LS1 we're gonna start swapping over in this thing. Out of an 02 Camaro. Thing only happened to have 120,000 miles on it. We bought the motor and transmission, all of the accessories, wire harness, all the complete package. Brought it in on the pallet. So we're gonna put that in, man. Pull the intake off, paint it, put some covers on it, you know. Bring it up to speed, how we do. Put some headers on it, pull these exhaust manifolds off. That and all of the snorkels that go with it. That definitely got to go. The hell. So we're gonna put some headers on it, man, and clean it up. 4L60 transmission. Come with the computer and all, so. Man, you can't beat the buy from my guys up there, so. That's how we rocking with it. Let's say Pancho getting this box up out of here, this old AC unit, we don't need it. Let's smooth this firewall off. This. Pull all that old condenser off. So everything under here could be nice painted and smooth. Radiator support. Got to look like Stitch did it. What is it, Joe? There you go. That damn Guatemalan. It's my boy. Look at that. That's it. Huh? That's it. Cutters right here. See, we don't need any of this shit no more. Yeah, we can cut that. We don't need. Yeah, we don't need that no more. We all new. Vintage air. Yeah. Yep. We call this one Ric Flair. It had a white head, but we pulled that off. That one fit? 17? Cut it there, yep. Huh? 19. Okay, come on. Check this up. Got that side? Okay. Okay, let it hang down a little bit. Let's see what's holding us here. Okay, number this bolt. So, alright, get your bumper. Okay. Okay, that's one bumper off. Now we can remove this grill section. And the grill comes off just like that. That's dumpster. You can throw that in the trash. Go ahead and throw that in the big trash out there. So what, we gotta take the fenders out?
Yeah.
Yeah, take the fenders out. There you go. Take that bolt out. We could take this battery box out. So we'll take that battery box out, take these inner fenders out right fast. We gotta get to the heater blower. We gotta get to the heater blower. That way we can go on the inside and he can pull this whole unit out from the inside. So that's what's gonna be next, is to pull this whole unit out from up under here, which is no more needed. It's all junk. It's all junk. So, man, that looks better already. So we'll get round head out here to see which wires we need for the swap. Starter wire and half hot is pretty much all we end up usually using from all of this. That way we can get us a nice clean look here. Nice clean look. What the hell was holding this one, Pancho? This? Oh, it's another one. One more.
Yeah, yeah. Yes.
Okay. Well, we finna finish stripping down this Chevelle here. Okay, Dre, we gotta get these out. All of the old condenser. 2 bolts here. 2 bolts here. This one here. And this one here. And we should be able to start taking that out. All right. Little more. Yep. Okay. Battery box out. Battery tray. Now he can finish this and shit. He need a new fender line anyway. Broke on both times. So we'll start getting that part and going from there, man. What size? 13? What that is? All right. Well, that's that on that, man. I'm gonna be back in a minute or two. And I'm finna see how pretty this customer wanna make this stuff look up under here. I'll be back in a minute.